Hi, Rob Wiedhaus with My Press Needs. I'm here at the lab today working with the Crest Clamshell to demonstrate the impression adjustment on the Crest. Now we go from 0 to 44. We're currently at 21. Now 21 is the 0 point for 937 dies. So I can put a 937 die in the press, and at 0 and 21, the press will not die cut. Now once I have that in place, I want to increase the impression, and I can do so in a very precise way. Each line that you'll see here is a half a thousandth of an inch. So if I go from 0 to half, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5 thousandths. So I get to 1. Now that's moving this major micrometer upwards towards number 22. If I continue to go to 2, 3, and back to 0, I've just moved one number from 21 to number 22. So let's pretend that I'm at 21 and I run the press through its impression. I start to bring the impression up. Maybe I go to 1 to start and I see 90% of a cut. And then I want to go to 3 more lines. You can see on the side the micrometer gauge is moving towards 22. Then I go to 2, and now I've got a perfect cut. So on that die for repeat setups, you would write 21.2. That way when the operator comes back next week, next month to rerun that job, they would immediately go 21 to 2 with that same die and their substrate in, and they would be back in production immediately. So again, to recap, the Crest has a major and a minor scale. This is our minor scale. This is our major scale at 21. And as I move, each line that you see here is a half a thousandths. So I can dial the press in to the liner, through the substrate for kiss cut, right to the liner, or through the substrate, right to my cutting plate, without hitting the cutting plate, in a very, very precise way, using the Crest micrometer impression adjustment.